Okay, so there's this really high-tech drainage system we have here, and it's called sucking from a hose to get this water out of the room that we are building. And Nelson is a badass, and he tends to like to do it because he likes sucking on dirty things. So here he goes. Keep going. Is it coming?
Yeah, I see it. It's coming around the bend. Keep going.
Keep going.
Here it is. Keep coming. Keep going. It's like you almost got it. It's like... I think it might be coming.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how it's done. Yeah.
And now we have a drainage system that runs up. Look at that hero.
TIH.
That runs along this hose, along this wall, into the dirty water. And that's it. Okay, peace.